Hey guys, in this video we are going to be exploring some of the most scenic and beautiful sites of Grant County. Um, First we're starting with the Potosi Rec area, which is also known as the Point. It is just outside of Potosi on the Mississippi River, and it offers some gorgeous sights, as you can see here, taking in the fall colors. It also has a boat landing along with some great fishing and a little area to sit and even have a picnic if you'd like. Alright, next up is the Grant River Rec area. This is where the Grant River feeds into the Mississippi, and as you can see, it has some great views and as well as some good fishing. And there's also a campground right up on the river where you can stay and just have a nice weekend out fishing on the Mississippi. Next up, we have an old agricultural pond outside of Lancaster, and since there's no cattle grazing around it and drinking out of it anymore, it's just used as a rec area, and you can catch a great sunset here. You don't have to go too far to see a beautiful sunset. You can get one right here in Grant County. Here we are outside of Fenimore, and as you can see, this really demonstrates the driftless area, all the rolling hills and the beautiful fall colors. It's just great to take a walk through and catch the sights and even see some deer possibly. Next up is the Grant River, and this is outside of Lancaster as well. As you can see, there's some great views in the valleys and the hills. The best thing about it though is that 15 feet on each side of the river is public county owned land, so you can go fishing anywhere along the river. If you have to travel through a landowner's property, you need permission, but in this case I was able to go right below the bridge, not even cross anyone's land, and just get some great footage. This is also a great place for fishing, and it just has great views. And finally, we have Katie's Garden and Roundtree Branch Trail, which is a great trail for a scenic walk. It's right up by the Platte River, and you can catch some nice views and just listen to the calm effect of the river flowing through. There isn't much better than the fall colors over a river. And that's going to conclude our exploration of Grant County and its scenic views. There's definitely even more places you could go and just take in the nature and have a fun time outside, but there's too many to put in one video, so thanks for watching.